We have a huge number of custom software development companies right here in India and globally, but very few are really building scale at the pace that they deserve and aspire. Getting the first few customers by word of mouth or past connects gets the business started, but finding the next set of customers starts to get harder. Hey there, I'm Tabish Bibikar and I coach and mentor founders of software companies to build scale in their business fast. In this video, I'm going to talk about why is it so hard to sell custom software solutions and what you can do about it. In the initial days, most custom software companies are more open to getting started with almost any type of project they can lay hands on from any domain. All you need is one customer willing to give you a requirement and you'll get started. After all, you do have the tech skills to design and develop a software solution for the customer. If not, no worries, the hard-working technocrat that you are will be more than willing to burn the candle at both ends to add new skills and ensure a successful delivery. So you get started by sourcing a customer from your own network of family, friends, past colleagues or connects and make the first sale. A few companies are able to sustain and grow quite nicely by building multiple solutions for the same set of customers. The team sizes grow from 5 to 25 to 80 and it feels like you are doubling year on year, growing the same customer counts. This is great. But as the years progress, you realize that you have worked on a very large variety of projects and solved multiple problems, yet when it's time to pitch to that next customer, it still feels very overwhelming as the next customer may have a completely new requirement in a completely new domain that you and your team need to understand all over again from scratch. Also, each time you acquire a new customer, there is demand for a new set of tech skills and you have to add on more resources, while some of the resources may actually be underutilized as the tech skills don't match the new client needs. So there is literally negligible leverage in your business. You'll end up working too hard every single time. A service is concept selling, unlike a product, and even more so if it's going to be customized. Custom software companies therefore have a tough job in telling their story to the world. Every other software company that's competing with you is likely telling the same stuff to your customer. So how do you go about attracting and converting customers day in and day out without having to slog it out on an ongoing basis to build that scale you want? There could be many strategies to high growth, but the one that's the most powerful is called build a niche. Stop doing everything for anyone or everyone. Ask yourself the question, what is the exact problem that I can solve for my customers better than anybody else out there? How can I give the highest value to my customer? In order to build conscious growth, it is important to start to build a niche that you could become a leader in. It requires grit, determination, and the power to make that decision, to go narrow and not wide. As a custom software development company, most founders feel that they can provide services to literally any domain having any kind of challenge. This, in a way, is true, but very difficult to market. You can't go around saying, I can develop any software for anybody out there, because then nobody pays attention. The more specific you start to become in your marketing message, the more heads, and the right heads, will turn your way. So example, stop selling AI development services for just anyone, but narrow down and choose to build a niche, let's say in the financial services segment, providing maybe chat automation specifically for customer service, or maybe virtual assistants in healthcare, or cybersecurity for hospitals, or demand forecasting for e-commerce companies, etc. Be specific and choose a problem to solve in a vertical and create your specialization. This helps you generate more leads and interest, gets your team aligned towards a specific domain, enables you to forecast employee skills for hiring, as you can now stick to specific technology areas. As a company, the maturity and understanding for you of your customer grows exponentially. More similar people start to reach out to you by referrals. You start to charge premium pricing. You start to dominate in that segment. In some cases, even compete fairly with bigger brands. I shot a video a few months ago to share tips on how to build a profitable niche. You may want to watch that video on YouTube. Specialization can be created in a horizontal service area or a vertical domain or around a platform too. The idea of finding and building a niche may feel overwhelming at first, but I strongly urge you to not let that stop you. Building a niche is one of the best moves you can make to grow your business, build more profitability, and reduce your stress. I've actually also written a guide on how to generate leads even if you're the only one in your marketing team. So check it out here and get started to build scale in your business. Look at the links below. Do work with your coach to build these strategies one by one into your business. Change your thinking, change your results. If you've liked this video, please do not forget to like and share. Do also subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more such videos sharing tips on scaling up. Thank you for watching.